Today is February 27 and from Medellin, Colombia, I'm going to unbox a Panasonic RFP 150D AM FM radio. So let's start. Okay, I would like to tell you that I got it at Amazon. Yes, I bought it from here, from Medellin, and my cousin Jennifer picked it up in Miami, so she brought it to me. Okay, so as we can see, we have the radio in its box with the corresponding model, and well, the box is intact, no problem with it, and well, the batteries are not in their package, but no problem, and they are the same brand of the radio. Okay, so let's unbox it. So this is the best moment, the moment that I have been waiting for. So let me just, I don't want to mistreat the box. I want to keep the box, so I think I can use my scissors for that matter. All right, so here is, okay, it comes in a transparent plastic bag. Okay, so here it is. Well, it's silver gray, yes. Well, the basic characteristics of a pocket radio, telescopic antenna. This is the power and volume knob. Yes, the screen becomes green when you turn it on. Okay, let's just see it in the back. Well, the battery lead is kind of long, and it's tied to the body of the radio. It works with 2 AA size batteries. So I think it's time to insert the batteries. Okay, so this one goes like this. Sorry, this goes first and this goes next. Okay, you have to be careful when closing the lid, because if you do it the wrong way, you can maybe break it. Okay, it is on. It is already on. Okay, right now it's in the AM band. I like the sound. Right now they are broadcasting a soccer game, and the tuning light goes on. So the AM band is working really fine. Okay, let's search one station that I usually listen to. Okay, let's now check the FM band. So you should move this switch at the top. Okay, it's not necessary, but I'm gonna raise the antenna. well, I feel so satisfied with this pocket radio. It's difficult to get it here in this country, but fortunately I have a lovely cousin that is called Jennifer, and she took the radio from the United States, and so I'm so grateful with her. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and thanks to my sister Lorena for recording the video too. Okay, that's it.